Today we're showing you a Ford 641 tractor. Tractor was traded in locally here. It's a good running little tractor. It does have power steering, which is kind of hard to find on these tractors. Overall, it runs and works good. No known issues with the machine. It is an old tractor, obviously, so it is selling as is, where is. It's one of our budget-friendly tractors. If you'd like to come in, run the tractor for yourself, certainly feel free to do so. It does have the front grill guard on it. Sheet metal. It's not banged up. It is, you got some missing paint and could certainly use a coat of paint, but the sheet metal is not banged up. It does have the 3-point stabilizer bars on it. Draw bars with it. Top link is with it. Obviously a gas engine, and again it does have the power steering. 2838.0 are the current hours. If you're looking for a inexpensive brush hog tractor, or you like one to restore, really good candidate here. So if you have any questions regarding the tractor, please contact us at masttractor.com.